Welcome to ToolsMet, your trusted source for professional tools and machine reviews. Today we are introducing the CNC machine, one of the most powerful and intelligent machines used in modern manufacturing and woodworking industries. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. This machine operates through computer software that controls cutting tools with extreme precision and accuracy. Unlike manual machines, CNC machines ensure consistent results with minimal human effort. CNC machines are widely used for cutting, carving, drilling, engraving, and shaping materials like wood, metal, plastic, acrylic, and aluminum. From furniture production and sign making to industrial components, CNC machines deliver professional-grade performance. One of the biggest advantages of a CNC machine is its high precision and repeatability. You can produce the same design multiple times without losing accuracy. This helps save time, reduce material waste, and increase productivity. There are different types of CNC machines, such as CNC router machines, CNC milling machines, CNC laser machines, and CNC plasma cutters. Each type is designed for specific tasks and materials, making CNC technology extremely versatile. Automation is another key benefit. Once the design file is uploaded, the CNC machine works automatically with very little supervision. This makes it ideal for both small workshops and large industrial operations. CNC machines also improve safety as operators maintain less direct contact with cutting tools. With proper setup and maintenance, these machines offer long-term reliability and efficiency. In today's competitive market, a CNC machine is a smart investment for faster production, better quality, and higher profits.